Welcome to Temple University's Innovation and Entrepreneurship Ecosystem. Temple is located in Philadelphia, a city brimming with opportunity. As University Innovation Fellows, our goal is to change the culture of how students approach I&E on campus. Our main tactics include establishing settings that encourage divergent thinking, structuring an environment that expedites the innovation process, exposing students to design thinking and other innovation processes at the very beginning of their college career, and demonstrating the impact of innovation and entrepreneurship in the community. Our first goal is to increase communication within our ecosystem. We intend to create an I&E hub, which will serve as a space for students, professors, and alumni to explore I&E. This platform will expedite feedback, increase collaboration, and identify experts in a much more timely fashion. And now it's time to build the foundation. We intend to do this by targeting freshmen and transfer students. We're going to break down the mental blockage and show that each major, no matter what you are, you have the resources to become a successful entrepreneur. During the first week on campus, we're going to introduce design thinking and put them in position to design an actual tangible product. We're going to get those wheels turning before they actually step into a classroom. We're hoping this will create an immediate desire to utilize the various resources on campus. And once the semester starts, it's time to develop the skills. We're going to hold a series of pop-up classes and skill development workshops in which students can learn to technically express their creativity. Our goal is to show students that the road to success is never paved in a straight line. Sometimes you're going to have struggle and even massive failure, but you're going to have to enjoy every part of the process in order to truly grow.
Every idea counts, so after we gather all those wild ideas on table, we combine them to form the big idea. Basically, we are trying to shift the students' focus from using technology to using basic tools, which are cheap, interesting to play with, and yet effective to bring those wild ideas to life. Because we believe that learning by doing is what creates an innovative mind.
Here are some examples of what our sessions will include. And then all of these ideas will be posted on the hub for continuous interaction. Now, once you've developed some skills, it's time for us to introduce design thinking in its full capacity. We're going to show you how to connect the dots in all sorts of different ways. First, we're going to target our own campus. We found when we were walking around that there's a serious lack of interdisciplinary activities on campus. So we're going to introduce things like a 3-day startup, a business incubator, and design sprint sessions. And next, it's time to get out of the classroom. We're going to show students the impact that design thinking can have on the community. So we're going to get them out into the community with a 6 to 8 week course that takes the students through each step of the design thinking process in a real life setting. And we're going to use this opportunity to form lasting relationships with local businesses and organizations. So this is a call to all students, faculty, and alumni. We need your help. It's time to innovate.